Here's the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for this Friday, September 29th. Just a reminder, the last issuance of this fire season briefing will be tomorrow, Saturday, September 30th. Afterwards, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we'll be issuing the smoke dispersion product, which will also have a weather update, but with more of an emphasis on smoke dispersion. Our fire potential impacts, no significant ones. Sunny skies prevailing in most areas today. North to northwest winds will increase on Saturday. Also cooler temperatures and showers for northern areas late in the weekend into early next week. Just some scattered light precipitation over eastern Utah the last 24 hours. We had some lightning out there, but with higher humidity, so no significance there. Low IA, just a small start out here in central Nevada. Precipitation over the past 7 days and the past 30 days basically covers just about the entire area. So with all of that precipitation and the longer nights, we're basically wrapping things up for this coming fire season. We see that on our fuels, the ERCs, although starting to come up just a fraction here in parts of northwest Nevada and western Idaho. Most of them are below the 50th percentile. A lot of these in Idaho and northern Nevada will be taking a nosedive with the cooler, showery weather during the weekend. Here's a look at our latest satellite imagery. We have a trough of low pressure moving into the Pacific Northwest right now, and still another low exiting parts of northeastern Utah. This one producing clouds and cool temperatures, all underneath an arc of high pressure. But it'll be this low which will provide cooler temperatures and some precipitation to northern areas over the next couple of days. So here's the upper level map for today. You can see the greenness, which is the next band of clouds and moisture moving into our western areas. Cooler temperatures, also some moisture across eastern Idaho and parts of western Wyoming. No significant fire potential to speak of through here. Weather-wise, we do have some westerly winds, nothing significant, 10 to 20 miles an hour across Nevada. Precipitation knocking on our doorstep, but still mostly in the Pacific Northwest. Now for Saturday, notice the closeness of these height lines through here in the yellow. Those are stronger winds. Moisture, however, will be confined to eastern areas of Idaho and western Wyoming. No significant fire potential to speak of. We will see the winds starting to increase out of the northwest, especially across parts of Utah and Idaho. There'll be some precipitation up there as well. You notice these darker green bands here are locally a quarter to a half inch of rain. So a cloudy, cool day across the northern tier of Utah, Nevada, and a good portion of eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. Taking a look at Sunday, we have a deep low forming up over Montana, another band of moisture pushing into central Nevada, central Utah, so staying cooler than normal, drier across the western areas. Our winds starting to pick up out of the southwest across southern Utah and southern Nevada, maybe 15 to 30 miles per hour, but there'll be some clouds there, some showers just to the north of that, showers continuing across a good portion of Idaho and our northern areas. Here's the precipitation over the next 7 days. You can see that basically our northern areas get a low-end wetting rain, but drier to the south and west. Looking further down the road, the models changed from a couple days ago. Now they're developing a deep low pressure area over central Idaho. This will keep cloudy, cool weather going through there. And even where it's drier further south, it'll be windy, but temperatures will be cooler than normal, so no significant fire potential again expected. This trough of low pressure continues to dominate our weather Tuesday and Wednesday as it continues to meander. Drier air pushing in, so we should start seeing more sunshine. Temperature still cooler than normal up until about Thursday when this low finally moves out. We have weak high pressure building in, finally getting back to near normal, maybe slightly warmer than normal temperatures, but that's just about it. No significant fire potential to speak of. And our precipitation over the entire 7-day period, again, mostly across eastern and northern areas. 8 to 14-day outlook taking us from October 6th to the 12th. A cooler than normal signal across the entire area, wetter than normal across the northern half of the geographic area. This concludes our briefing. Again, our last briefing will be tomorrow, September 30th. Afterwards, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays will be our smoke dispersion briefing. Have a great day.